we discuss, matrimonial laws favor women. Matrimonial laws, judges have a soft corner. But whenever I think on those lines, I try to correct myself and I say, Amish, if you think that your client has no chance, then your client has absolutely no chance. But if you think that no, he has a fair shot, let us do this. And I'll give you an example. Let us not talk about how bad things are. Again, we can lament it if it serves a purpose. But
otherwise, you become an activist to do reforms of
judicial. Activism is great, but when you're dealing with your client situation, you don't go for activism. One aspect is, it should be bad. If I start thinking, and this is something that I have learned from the best advocates in the business, just by watching them, having discussions with them on a lot of occasions, and this is a big mistake that a lot of junior advocates make, people with less experience at the bar make. They say, and this is what I was guilty of on many occasions, I look at a situation and I say, the facts and the law clearly go against me. Then what can I do? And I just, and this is the kind of, the tonality of my voice before the client is also, see, the law goes against you, the facts go against you. What can we do? Now the client also understands this, but will the client go for you if you say, and in any case, say for example, any like murder, rape kind of a case, do you give up? Do you say, I'm not going to represent you because I'm going to lose? No, at least you ensure that the man, say, perhaps does not go to the gallows. At least you try for life imprisonment, right? You try to maybe explore the possibility whether this person is clinically insane, maybe perhaps, right? There can be many other things. Imagine, one aspect is to what extent, the emotionally, we as a society, as individuals were affected by the Nirbhaya gang rape case, right? What all transpired, the advocates, and there was a lot of theatrical, things which went out of it as well. Be it, hanging of terrorists or any of these, situations where we feel a lot of this emotional turmoil. The question is, do we give up as lawyers? Even if we are dealt a bad hand, do we give up? The answer, of course, is no. We know that yes, we've got of course it is far better if it's, you can, but then again, at the end of the day, what will be a better story for us to tell our friends, our family and ourselves? I had a good case, good client, everything was smooth and we sailed through. Is that a great story? Or all the odds being against us? We tried our best. We went down, but we gave it our best shot. We showed them hell. And even the opponent respected us for putting up the fight that we did. That's what I think you should focus on. And that's something that I've learned from the best. They will never think, "Arey, it's a bad case, kuch nahi ho sakta." They're always thinking, "Arey bhai, is इंसान से ज़्यादा बुरा किसी के साथ नहीं हुआ. So let me try to help him the best possible to whatever extent I can." और सब गलत हुआ है तो जज भी कैसे नहीं मानेगा, मनवा के छोड़ेंगे. That's how we should approach this.